Hello, we're back and today is a exciting day. I've got work this afternoon, but this morning we're going getting the back 4 windows tinted. These big ones are either side are being left because I'm going to order some of those camper van slidey openy window things. So yeah, let's go and get these windows tinted, which is gonna feel absolutely amazing. It's just progress, isn't it? So yeah, buzzing for that. Let's crack on. Okie dokie, so we're just round this corner. Here we are, and he's open. So we've just been for a quick coffee while this guy does the tint. I didn't want to hang around for too long to mind for him, so let's go back and see how he's getting on. Putting them on, as you can see, he's just got it all sat on the side, outside at the minute. He's cut it, washed them all. So yeah, don't know how it's going to look when it's on, but yeah, I'm excited. Lovely. Cool little shop here is over in Preston. I'll get the name, but yeah, got all his tints here, and he's got like this Batman car that he's made. I think it's a BMW, I forget what it is now, but yeah, man. Yeah, you're definitely right to go full black. You were right to go full black. Yeah, you need stuff to do, man. What's the picture? Yeah, he's definitely made the right decision there, mate. I appreciate it. Yeah, it looks fucking fantastic, mate.
You're going to notice some moisture in the film for next 2 days.
No, it's what, sorry?
You'll notice some moisture in the film for next 2 days.
Okay, yeah.
You know, the water I'll spray to become one.
Yeah.
It just takes time to dry, especially at the moment because it's so cold. It's taking a bit longer. But you just dry it out by itself, you don't need to do anything.
Alright. Now guys, that looks absolutely phenomenal. So you want to get yourself down to executive tints, window tints. I'm chuffed with that, mate.
Happy with that?
Yeah, really chuffed, mate. What's your name anyway?
Jay.
Cheers, Jay. Nice one. Rob.
And today we're going to be putting in the front sliding camper van windows, or whatever it is that they're called. I don't know. Anyway, I have already attempted this once with my stepdad, Gang Mick, as my daughter would call him. She's only 2. Be a bit weird if she wasn't. Anyway, that was unsuccessful for a couple of reasons. One, I think the wire wasn't the right one. It snapped, which unfortunately sent Mick tumbling.
Yeah, we're going to work our way backwards. Yeah, okay. Oh, you alright? Ah! Oh!
Anyway, needless to say, I gave up that attempt that day. I've since bought some squared barbed wire. Anyway, braided wire, that's the one. I've since bought some of that, and I've got a mate from work coming over to help me. So let's crack on.
We've been cutting away at this for quite a while. we've got some flex in the window. Just got a little bit more to go. And then we're done. Gotta get a look at Raz, bless him. Raz is out there with his poncho on in the rain. Blimey. Cheers, mate. And we're out. Got it out. You getting on, Raz? Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. This is Raz's job. He's doing great at getting the sealant off, eh?
I was going for it, yeah.
He's going for it. Okay, right, flush box, nice that. Just cleaning it all up. I'm just going to do it all. Right, so we've just primed up all the window. Got it all set running along here. Nice.
Say it's on it. It starts.
Right, I told you just fucking bang your
GoPro, stop recording. Dun dun dun.
More towards the tank, yeah.
Yeah, a bit higher, I would say.
Oi mate, this is buzzing. Nice one.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop.
Mr. Raz, he's on his bike.
Hello.
How you doing, Mr. Raz?
Very good, thank you.
Sweet, isn't she?
Feels nice when I'm talking it.
Yeah?
Guess how nice it is to ride.
Right, we've got it all set up, mate. Today is a better day. Today is a much better day to be doing a window. It's not raining. And as you've just seen, Razzy's back. We've got it all set up. Ready to rock. Got it pulled through. There we go. So, nice. Wash.
See? You get better the more you do it.
Yeah, man. We've got the window out. Razzy's getting the old sealant off again. This is out. I shit myself when I saw this. Thought it broke. But it's not. Got the old sealant bond off. Cleaned up around the edges. It's an absolute pain in the backside. I'm just going to put this primer on now. Just put the primer on. I've gone thick because we had some scratches in the paintwork, so just covered that up. So she's all ready. Put the bead on now. Right, and there we are. We're all fitted now. Cheers, Mr. Raz. Right, so we're done on the windows. Stay tuned and I'll let you know when the next one's coming out. I don't know what we're doing next. Probably going to be doing insulation. I'll see you then. Bye bye.